In this video I will be taking the Mersey ferry from Seacombe on the Wirral over to Liverpool. First it will make a stop at Woodside ferry terminal where people can get off and see the U-boat story.
One of the most famous ferries in the world. Please pay attention to the emergency procedure notices displayed around the vessel. For more information or to buy tickets in advance, please visit BeatlesStory.com.
Looking back to the Seacombe ferry terminal, there is the Seacombe clock tower. There are two road tunnels under the River Mersey, the Queensway Tunnel and the Kingsway Tunnel. The strange building is the Kingsway Tunnel ventilator, two air intakes and a chimney. We can now see the UNESCO World Heritage skyline, the Liver Building, Cunard Building and Port of Liverpool Building. The Museum of Liverpool was opened in 2011 and is free to enter. The Anglican Cathedral is Britain's biggest cathedral and took 74 years to build. The Royal Albert Dock, once warehouses, now shops, restaurants and apartments. M&S Bank Arena, which holds music and sporting events, formerly known as the Echo Arena.
Lastly, the Wirral ferry terminal, connecting the Wirral with Belfast and Dublin. It is along this stretch of shoreline where the famous 1 o'clock gun still stands.
The Seacombe ferry was recorded in the Domesday Book, and the ferry service has been running from here for over 600 years.
Free entrance to U-boat Story at Woodside is included as part of your ticket. Please check the U-boat Story website for opening times and more information. If you are dedicated to travel, from the first hour national and international cuisine from award-winning food vendors with enviable views across the Liverpool. We look forward to welcoming you all again. This is Woodside Terminal. Even before the Merseybeat boom of the early 1960s, Liverpool had a reputation for a lively, popular music scene. As a thriving port, the city was a hub for entertainment and leisure, and the Mersey ferries played a significant role in that tradition. From its arrival in 1951, the Royal Iris was popularly known as the fish and chip boat for the food served on board during its dance cruises. In 1957, the Cavern Club began promoting its legendary riverboat shuffles. These were 4-hour dance cruises up and down the river. The Beatles played 4 times on the Royal Iris between 1961 and 1962. During this time, they changed their manager to Brian Epstein, ditched their leathers for smart suits, shirts and ties, and for their final show, they had replaced their drummer Pete Best with Ringo. Many bands played on the Royal Iris over the years, including Jerry and the Pacemakers, The Searchers, Acker Bilk, The Farm and Elvis Costello. To the left are the beautiful buildings known as the Three Graces, which together form one of the most majestic and famous waterfronts in the world. On the right of these is the Port of Liverpool building, with its impressive copper dome. If you're interested in finding out more about the Beatles, you can visit the award-winning attraction, The Beatles Story, which is based at the Albert Dock. The attraction takes visitors on an immersive journey through the lives, times, culture and the Beatles. We ask cyclists to alight after all foot passengers have left the vessel, and could all school parties please make themselves known to a member of the deck